Hiya guys, welcome back with another video. If you are new to this channel, my name is Barud Abdurrahman. So today I want to talk to you girls. I want to give you advice which is really good for you. So if you didn't hit the subscribe button yet, please subscribe now and open bell icon now. So after that, let's get started. Dear girls, listen, instead of crying after heartbreak, study well and life like queen. Take a deep breath, it is just a bad day, not a bad life. And don't let that bad day make you feel like you have a bad life. Stay strong, make them wonder how you still smiling.
Close till I get up. Time is